guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that subscription button, and if you like this video, please thumbs up on this video, which I know you'll like this video. So welcome to segment number 3 of this open Christmas collab hosted by Holt of Amatuer Decorating Like a Pro. So thank you, Catherine. And so it's my Christmas, my style 2018. So my style basically is contemporary, but I decided, since I had lots of different pieces, that to put them all together, I decided to do an eclectic design. So I have on my table, I've got my charger plates, which are contemporary. I've got my salad plate, my dinner plate. Those are contemporary. The salad plates were purchased from Crate & Barrel. The dinner plates were purchased from TJMaxx. My napkins, I believe I purchased this from Marshallss or TJMaxx. I'm not sure, but yeah, that's what happens when you do too much shopping. You don't remember everywhere you bought something from. And my napkin rings, I purchased these just the other day from Burlington. So that's where they come from. My water goblets, for you young millennials, this is a store that you won't know about, but your mom probably knows about it if she lives here on the northeast or even in the southern eastern coast. I purchased these from a store that was called Gimbels. It was a store like Macy's. It was one of my most favorite shopping places. So I purchased these goblets from there. As you hear, this is lead crystal. So that's where I got those from. My dinnerware is an heirloom silverware set. So they go back to my childhood when I was a little girl. So that's where they come from. My table runner, this comes from TJMaxx. The pine cones, the sprayed pine cones, these come from TJMaxx as well. And my garland, my garland spray that I have here that I fixed in a circular pattern, this came from Target, and it's by Magnolia, Chip and Joanna Gaines, who are the creators, and they were former decorators on Fixer Up. So they'll be coming, I don't know on what channel, but they will be back soon. And my lovely cake stand, which is contemporary. This comes from Home Goods. I almost forgot where I got them. Home Goods. And the ornaments inside, they come from some little discount place. I don't know. You know those little bargain stores? That's where they come from. But it does the job. And my candles, my Rustic candles, they come from Marshallss. And my lovely lead crystal candle holders, these come from BJ's, which you know is a big, large, open warehouse store, if you will. But I've had these for years and years. I've had them. I love them. And of course they are contemporary. And I'll just show you 1 second just to open this up for you ladies that want to know how I did this. You just shake it out like that, pull it down like that, and put your napkin ring on, voila. And then if you just don't have a napkin ring and you just want to go like this, you can put this now underneath your salad plate, and you have it like that. Tuck that under, and there you have it. So guys, I think I've explained everything here to you that I've done, and I'm going to hop off of the collab. I will not be doing segment number 4 because it is a home tour, and I won't have my Christmas tree until after Thanksgiving. The people that I buy my Christmas tree from, they come all the way down from Alberta, Canada, and they won't come down until sometime next week, but they will be out starting to sell Christmas trees. I believe it's the eve of Thanksgiving. I said Christmas Eve, Thanksgiving. So Christmas Eve is too late. Christmas Eve, they're packing up to go back to Canada. So since I always use a live Christmas tree, I won't start decorating until I get my tree. But don't forget to subscribe so that you can get the notifications that I'm on. And I will be filming and uploading how I decorate my Christmas tree. So guys, on that note, thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to hit the hashtag MyChristmasMyStyle2018. You will be able to see some of the other tablescapes by some of the other women who are in this Christmas collab. So on that note, guys, take care. Love you. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel. So until I see you again, take care. God bless. Bye.